time to give it some style. We're gonna get the body mounted. We also got in our low profile JX servo in, so we'll put that in while we're doing the chassis. So we're gonna put this chassis plate on, and then we'll put the mounts on. This will be a quick one. I'll just come back with it done. I'll do it all off screen, and then we'll get it out and get it ripping. So I'm a big fan of the JX servos, so I'm hoping this has got enough juice. Again, this is supposed to go straight, so I'm not looking for that kind of performance, but this will fit nice. It'll give us a little more real estate for phase 2 upgrades. So it's all part of the game. I'll be right back with it all put together. All right, now that's starting to look better. Looks like a car now. Not bad at all. Now I was able to get these magnet deals. I don't know if I'm doing it right or not or whatever. Don't care. It was $5. I figured it might make it easier taking on and off the bodies on film. But the body's a little wonky. It's a Chinese one. The holes were set for the front, but these posts are different. So they came pre-drilled. These two are pre-drilled, but if you look, it's kind of angled a little. But it works. It works. I think it looks pretty sweet. Let's get her fired up for a minute. Just see what's going on. Still got to replace the servo. I'll do it off screen. I don't think it's necessary right now. To be honest, until I get the motor, I might actually hold off on the servo until I need the space. It's not going to do a value add as a whole. So, anyways, let me plug her in real quick and we'll give her a little rev. And then I'll get it outside, and the second half of this will be at least getting a little speed run on it. Get the battery hooked up real quick. Gotta tell you, this is a pretty fun freaking contest. Man, she's gonna rip. She's got more too. And I had a little left, so. Anyways, that's what we got right this moment. I think we're looking really good. Bonus video of the sticker work. Everybody seems to like it when you pull this off, so figured I'd do that. Yeah. Stickers. Oh, God, I put the mirrors on. Stickers. I'm digging. So, as you can see, she's soaking wet. Skies opened up as soon as I left the house, so I was trying to miss the rain, and I did a run, but it didn't go well. I might even try DSC. I tried 3S. I'll go through my head cam footage and maybe put it on. It'll probably be a members only failure, you know. Not a big deal though. Not a big deal at all. We'll get her buttoned up, and I think what the good thing is the gear mesh was not right, so it was actually a fortunate thing that it was slippy as all heck, because it wasn't putting as much resistance. And of course I didn't bring any tools with me, so we're doing a fail fix, I guess is a good word for it. But it shouldn't be bad. My guess is the mesh was just tight. You heard that whining. You'll see a clip of it after this, probably. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what it looks like inside. There it goes. Yeah, that seems a little tight. That's okay. That's an easy fix. Easy fix. Easy fix. With these adjustable motor mounts, it makes it a lot easier. But, like, you know, is what it is. It's a little better. Oh yeah, that's better. 100 times better. Well, like I said, we might have fried the ESC. We'll find out in a second. I got a fresh, same battery that I tried earlier. I'm hoping it just hit its heat tolerance and didn't cut out. But we'll find out. I don't know much about the CSC. I haven't used it that much. And it's a good thing these are waterproof. Nothing. That's not a good sign. Huh. Anybody know what that means? That's old trusty. It's only a 60 amp. It's not the 80 amp like that one, but it'll do. It'll do. At least until our other one gets here. Old trusty. Cross your fingers, kids. Just a little troubleshoot, triage, whatever you want to call it. Huh. Battery this? Oh, there it is. I think this servo, I definitely need to get the other one. So what do we got for throttle? MS seems nice. Don't do that at home, kids. Put it back together first. Anyways, alright. Assessed all the damage. Servo is not doing so hot either. It's still working, so I'll let it dry out. ESC is making noise, but when I turned it over, water poured out of it. So I'm gonna let it sit over a couple days, maybe until I get back from vacation. I'll just let it sit, and I'll just do my runs with my Raz 60 amp, yeah, 60 amp 2S 3S. I'm not going to do 3S with it though. I'm not doing any 3S till I get my Surpass. Well, maybe I'll do a WL one with a 25C low C rating and see what happens. But anyways, I'm going to put my JX servo in while I'm at it. I'm going to throw the footage from this fail. It was pretty bad, but I got to see rainbow, so I'll leave the rainbow at the end of this. I'll probably do a montage and just have it go right into the glamour shots I did after or before I went to run, and then we'll go into just the beginning where I talk about where we are running. And if you really want to see the fail, I guess you got to be a member. But I have to start putting content over there, you know. And I'd rather put the stuff that's not pertinent to the race. So, but I did learn a lot. My gearing was wrong. I got it nice now. You probably saw in the last clip me running that. So I'll get it buttoned up. I'll put my steering servo back in, and I think I'm taking the servo saver out. I think I'm just going to go a straight bar. I don't see the sense of not. We're not looking for, you know, wiggle wobble and all that. And I'll probably put my gyro back in, just like only TTO said. You know, gyro on low. I'll take your advice, my friend. Anyways, as soon as this dries out, hopefully we'll get out there tomorrow. Start at Piston, so at the very least I'll have it running while I'm on vacation. So anyways, that's all I got for now. This is kind of short and sweet, just an update, kind of upgrades. Tried to run it, had a fail, whatever you want to call it. You know, I was hoping it was gonna be glorious, but I guess it was gloriously failed. So anyways, that's all I got for now. I'll see you when I see you. Figure I'd do some glamour shots before we take her out. Picked our test driver. He's only temporary, but he's battle scarred. So it could get crazy. Geared up and ready to go. Taking it. Not bad at all. Alright guys, stars aligned. I'm able to get out. I'm going to get everything set up. I'm going to get my head cam on. I don't know if you can see that. That's my side. This morning I had to drive to a place that's not my old junior high school. So we're going to start with 2S and go right to 3S. I'm not going to reset it. We're going to use URGENEX. I charged this, but I used it for a few revs, so it's not up all the way, but it's going to be good enough for this. And then after the URGENEX, we're going to try the WLTOYS 3S 25C. It's a low C to start with that. URGENEX will be coming in soon, so beeping. What a disaster this is. Water everywhere. 18 miles an hour. That's nice. Well, hopefully we didn't fry it. Well, it is what it is. We gave it a shot. Guess that side was to tell me not to. Well, we'll dry her out and give her a run in the morning. So that's another failed attempt. This will go into the
to the beverage area. Oh. She is pretty though. She is pretty. But something's not right. That gear mesh, I gotta loosen. I probably have it too tight. You gotta learn. Sooner or later, I'm gonna start bringing my tools with me and sit for a minute. Just run for an hour or two instead of this after dinner crap.